You want to fix your life? Not next year, not someday, today. Because one day can change everything, if you let it. Your entire life doesn't get fixed over years. It gets fixed in a single moment. The moment you decide you're done. Done with the excuses. Done with the cycles. Done with the version of you that keeps waiting for the right time. The truth, you don't need more time. You need more decisions. Right now, you could choose to change everything. Clean your space. Block that distraction. Forgive them or let them go. Write the plan. Move your body. Drink water. Stop blaming. Start becoming. You can fix your life in a day, not by finishing the journey, but by finally beginning it. And don't say it's not that easy. Of course it's not. But simple doesn't mean easy. The hardest part is not the doing, it's the deciding. It's deciding. I will not live another day as a prisoner to my past. I will not let old habits define me anymore. I will not wait for permission to rise. That's the moment everything starts. Will you still have bad days? Yes. Will there still be pain? Yes. But once you decide, truly decide, you never go back. Because now, you've remembered who you are. You clean your room like your future lives there. You write goals like your life depends on them. Because it does. You move with clarity, speak with purpose, and cut what drains you. No more passive living. No more just existing. You fix your life in one day when you finally take control of it. One action, one rule, one shift, one battle at a time. From chaos, you create order. From emotion, you build discipline. From fear, you craft focus. This is your life, your chapter, your shot. And it's not too late. Not if today becomes the day you rise. So stop waiting for change. Be the change. Fix your focus. Fix your standards. Fix your habits. And you'll fix your life. Starting now.